How to make any button transparent in a WordPress website. I'm logged into the WordPress dashboard, so I'm going to Pages in the left sidebar. I'm clicking All Pages. I'm hovering over the page that contains the button and clicking Edit. The Gutenberg editor opens. I'm scrolling down to the button I want to change. I'm clicking directly on the Get Started button. The toolbar appears above it, and the right sidebar should now show the button block. If it says Buttons instead of Button, click the individual button once more, because the background color is on the inner button block, not the button's wrapper. With the button block selected, I'm clicking the Styles tab in the right sidebar. The settings change, and I'm clicking Color. Text and background options open. Before I clear anything, I'm checking the same panel for a theme style called Outline. If your theme has that, click it and it can do a lot of this work for you. Mine doesn't, so I'm doing it manually. I'm clicking the background color swatch. The color picker opens. I'm clicking Clear or Reset at the bottom. Watch the button. The solid fill disappears while the text stays in place. If you don't see clear, drag the opacity slider all the way down to 0. The button will look like plain text for a second, but I'll fix that next. Now I'm clicking the text color swatch. I'm setting it to white because this button is going on top of a dark background. If your page background is light, pick a dark text color instead. The rule is simple. The text has to contrast with whatever is behind the button or it just disappears. Next, I'm clicking Border in the Styles panel. I'm setting the border width to 1 pixel. A thin outline appears around the button. That outline is the difference between a real ghost button and text that somebody accidentally clicks. I'm clicking the border color swatch and choosing white to match the text. If you're on a light page, choose black text and a black border. Matching the text and border colors is what makes the button look deliberate instead of half-finished. The button works now, but it's a little cramped. I'm clicking Dimensions in the Styles panel, then Padding. I'm setting the top and bottom padding to 10 pixels and the left and right padding to 20 pixels. The button gets larger, and that extra spacing helps on a phone. Most accidental taps come from buttons that are too small to hit. I'm going back to Border in the Styles panel and finding Radius. I'm setting the radius to 8 pixels. That gives the button slightly rounded corners. If you prefer a pill shape, push it to 40 or 50 pixels, but 8 is the setting I use most of the time. I'm clicking Typography in the Styles panel and setting the font size to 18 pixels. 16 works, but 18 is a little easier to read for a button label. If your button text is still tiny, this is the fix. Now the button is fully transparent with a white border and white text. I'm clicking the preview icon in the top bar and switching to mobile. The layout loads on a smaller screen. I'm checking that the button doesn't stretch edge to edge and that the text isn't wrapping in a weird place. Back on desktop, I'm clicking the button once more and opening the link setting in the toolbar. The link address is still there. Changing the background and border never touches the link, but I always check it before I update. A pretty button that points at the wrong page is worse than an ugly one. I'm clicking Update in the top right. WordPress saves the page and the transparent button is now live. One more thing worth doing while you're here. If this button gets hard to read over a busy image, I'm clicking Background again and dragging the opacity slider to about 50% instead of 0. That gives you a semi-transparent background, which keeps the design airy but makes the text much easier to read. On a hero image, that's usually the version I go with. If you prefer that, click Update again. And if you use this same button on several pages, I'd save it. I'm clicking the 3-dot menu on the button toolbar and choosing Create Reusable Block. I'm naming it Transparent Get Started. Next time you need the same button, insert that block instead of rebuilding it. If you got this working, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments are what push these videos to other people looking for the same thing.